identical inductors connected in two different configuration. Either configuration where a time varying current, it's an AC current just like flowing as shown in figure. The induced EMF between the point A and B. Induced EMF between A and B. Okay. Induced EMF A and B in the configuration is EP and EQ. அப்போ இதில் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆனது EP, இதில் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆனது EQ. Okay. The ratio of EP by EQ, mutual inductance is neglected. Here we are assuming only self-inductance. எல்லாம் L, 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 L. நல்லா தெரியணும், when they connected in series, just like resistance, effective inductance will be equal to 2L. Here they are parallel, effective inductance will be equal to L1 into L2, 1 by L plus 1 by L, which is equal to 2 by L, தலைகீழா எடுத்தா L by 2. In other words, R1, R2 divided by R1, R2 formula. So L into L divided by L plus L. அப்போ L squared by 2L. அப்போ L by 2 is the total inductance in this case. Okay. We wanted to find out EMF induced. நமக்கு EMF induced formula தெரியும். Minus L into di by dt. Okay. இப்போ நமக்கு ரெண்டுடைய ரேஷியோ தான் வேணும். ஸோ இதில் எப்படி EMF? First case, அதை EPன்னு வச்சுக்கலாமா? EP will be equal to minus L into I தான் current di by dt, di by dt. இது EMF induced in the first case. EMF induced in the second case will be minus L இருக்கிற இடத்துல L by 2 போட்டோம், di by dt. இவ்வளவுதான். So we wanted to find out EMF induced. அப்போ இதுல 2L. Sorry. Now they are in series, no? 2L. அவ்வளவுதான். EP by EQ போடு 1 divided by 2. அப்போ EP by EQ is equal to, so மேல 2 இருந்திருக்கும், 2L di by dt, L di by dt cancel ஆயிரும், by 1 by 2, that will goes to the numerator. Answer is 2 into 2, 4 is the answer. So I think this answer is not given in the option. Option 1, which is 1 by 4. Option 2, 1 by 2. Option 3, which is 1. Option 4, 2. Actual, there is no answer is found. Answer is 4. The ratio of EP by EQ is 4 is the correct answer. Okay.